my name's Danielle and I'm the VP of Options at Simpler Trading. People ask me all the time, Danielle, why is volume such a critical component of what you do? Well, I'm here to tell you that understanding how volume works when you are trading, especially in the options market, is absolutely critical because you need to be able to identify and jump on big moves that are happening. We're retail traders. We're not hedge funds here, okay? The size that we trade is not going to move the markets. But when those big funds and smart money moves the markets, we need to be able to identify those moves and jump on them, okay? So if you're not trading in a way where you can recognize volume and how it's shifting, you're missing out. As a momentum trader, volume is absolutely critical to me in my trading. Why? Well, because when you're using a technical trading strategy, what you're attempting to do is follow the trend and follow price movements, okay? And a part of that has to do with volume. That's because where the volume is where the movement is. And when you're trading options, you really need to be on the right side of that game. So, as a part of my trading strategy, what I love to do is I like to identify solid trends, especially that have nice pullbacks so that I can get a decent entry. And then what I like to do is I like to identify when volume is coming into the move so that I can then jump on that volume. You know why? Because for us, we're retail traders, okay? We're not hedge funds. We're not trading billions and billions of dollars. But guess what? By identifying volume and where it is, you can identify what they're doing and you can jump on that move right along with them. So for me, I use a couple different trading tools to do this. Number one, I use my Trend Strength Turbo candles. These are candles that I have coded up to identify when a specific candle has higher than average volume. This tells me that there are big institutions, big size behind this move, and it's likely something that I want to jump on and ride. I also use the Turbo VZO. The Turbo VZO tells me when I can identify a shift in volume. For example, you might see a big volume move going to the upside, but that's not going to last forever, right? So you need to be able to identify when that move is shifting, when it's time to get out. So the Turbo VZO shows me turning points specifically as it relates to volume. So if you want to learn more about how I trade specifically using trend following setups, technical trading, and volume, you can join me in the Stack Profits Mastery Program. You can go to www.simplertrading.com/profits to learn more.